one is on the white meat. How do you cut your white meat? Okay, you have to find the bones in the middle. Okay, if you can see here, the chicken normally have the middle bone. So you need to slice it a bit and find the middle bone. Okay, so you can feel the middle bone here, then you slice it. Slice it carefully. Alright. Right. Your position of your knife should be 45 degree below. Okay, so you slice a little bit. Okay, 45 degrees. And then you can see here, there's a bone here, right? This part, make sure do not take together with the bones. Only take the flesh part. Alright, and then you cut in the middle. So you already get your white meat. Okay, so this white meat, okay, you need to cut into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this part you can cut, or you don't want to cut, it's okay. Alright, but for me, I would cut it so that it can be designed easier. You can plating well in the plates. Alright, so you transfer here. Okay, transfer to the plate. Okay, make sure in a proper way, and then here you put on the top. Okay, then you are done for chicken carving. White meat and also dark meat. Okay, thank you very much.